A wearable recording studio made for content creators that can record immersive 3D sound across 3 separate channels. A ton of pro-grade features on the app cut your post-production time to minutes instead of hours. You don't need a big audio studio when you've got FinaLace. FinaLace records audio in 360 degrees around you. Whether you're recording or live streaming, there's no more need for post-processing your audio tracks. FinaLace is our 3rd Kickstarter project, and has already won the CES Innovation Award 2021. Last year we launched Audio Wow, the first nano-sized recording studio. And this year with FinaLace, we're back with the next innovation. FinaLace does everything Audio Wow does, like devocalizing any music track, an automatic phone and voice transcription, and so much more. The best thing about FinaLace is that it has 3 microphones. 2 binaural microphones in each earbud, and a dedicated 3rd voice mic close to your mouth. With FinaLace, you get immersive 3D audio recording, digital sound effects, full band noise suppression, wireless mixing, and in-ear monitoring in real time. As a powerful recording gadget, it's perfect for artists, podcasting, singing karaoke, live streaming, music rehearsals, and it can even connect to any DSLR camera using our Smart Mic Plus. FinaLace isn't just great for recording, they're also the best and final headphones you'll ever buy. With transparency mode, you'll be able to hear the world around you when you need to. It can also enhance your hearing by amplifying sounds as they are picked up by the binaural microphones. We think you'll love creating content and listening to great music with FinaLace, and we can't wait to see what you create with it. Thank you for backing our 3rd campaign.